एक ऐसे शख्स के विषय में बात करेंगे जिनको प्रयागराज में शायद ही कोई ना जानता हो। उनका नाम वरिष्ठ पत्रकार वीरेंद्र पाठक है। अगर वीरेंद्र पाठक कभी सिद्धांतों से समझौता कर ले तो वे अपनी पहचान ही खो देंगे। उनकी असली ताकत यही है कि वे नियमों और मूल्यों पर अडिग रहते हैं। उनका साफ कहना है, अगर किसी को यह नियम पसंद नहीं है तो वह साथ छोड़ सकता है। वीरेंद्र पाठक के विषय में ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आई वरिष्ठ पत्रकार लिली भावना कॉलर कहती हैं,
Whenever I look at Shri Virendra Pathak, one thing is always clear to me. If he ever compromises on his principles, he would no longer remain worthy of being called Virendra Pathak. That is his identity and that is his strength. I saw with my own eyes how his colleagues honored him with a garland because the election of the Electronic Media Club was conducted with complete honesty and transparency. Whether someone likes it or not, whether someone stays or leaves, the rules of the organization are absolutely clear and Virendra Pathak is their strongest guardian.
जिस समय प्रयागराज की मिट्टी में समाये उन गुमनाम शहीद लगभग खो रहे थे, उस समय वीरेंद्र पाठक ने उन गुमनाम शहीदों की खोज का अद्भुत और प्रेरक कार्य किया। उन्होंने न केवल इन शहीदों की शौर्य गाथाओं को संकलित किया, बल्कि उनकी स्मृति को अमर बनाने के लिए शहीद वॉल की स्थापना भी करवाई, जो आज प्रयागराज की ऐतिहासिक धरोहर का महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा बन चुकी है। लिली भावना कॉलर इस विषय पर आगे इस प्रकार कहती हैं,
Under his leadership, the tradition has continued that the president and secretary will be changed every year. The same happened this time as well, and it will continue in the future because he believes that the essence of democracy lies in change and accountability. I have personally heard him say, if someone does not like this rule, they are free to walk away. They may even form a new pocket organization and declare themselves the self-appointed president. Prayagraj will simply have one more organization and a few more office bearers. But Virendra Pathak is not someone who would mortgage his principles for positions. The chairman of Prayagraj Vidvat Parishad and the founder of Electronic Media, Virendra Pathak undertook an extraordinary and inspiring mission to rediscover the forgotten martyrs buried in the soil of Prayagraj, those whose stories of bravery had faded into the mist of time. He not only compiled their tales, valor, but also established the Shaheed Wall to immortalize their memory, which today stands as an important part of Prayagraj's historical heritage.
इतना ही नहीं, वीरेंद्र पाठक ने प्रयागराज की सांस्कृतिक और आध्यात्मिक विरासत को सहेजने के लिए महर्षि भारद्वाज की विशाल मूर्ति की स्थापना कर इस महान ऋषि की स्मृति को पुनर्जीवित किया। ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आई वरिष्ठ पत्रकार इस प्रकार,
Not just that, Virendra Pathak also took the initiative to preserve the cultural and spiritual legacy of Prayagraj by championing the installation of the grand statue of Maharishi Bharadwaj. It was due to his tireless efforts and campaigns that the Uttar Pradesh government installed this magnificent statue, reviving the memory of this great sage. If you are a journalist or connected to journalism, just look around you. Do all journalist organizations conduct elections every year?
वीरेंद्र पाठक सिर्फ एक पदाधिकारी नहीं, बल्कि एक सोच है, एक ऐसी सोच जो कहती है कि संस्था व्यक्ति से बड़ी होती है और नियम किसी की सुविधा देखकर नहीं बदलती। उनकी यही साफगोई, यही पारदर्शिता और यही दृढ़ता उन्हें अलग बनाती है। अंत में वरिष्ठ पत्रकार लिली भावना कॉलर कहती हैं कि
Do elections even take place? Are office bearers actually changed? If not, then understand something is not right. Something is being hidden. This is why I feel proud when I speak about Virendra Pathak. He is not just an office bearer, he is a thought, a philosophy that says an institution is always bigger than an individual and rules do not change according to someone's convenience. It is this clarity, this transparency and this firmness that set him apart, and perhaps this is why people both admire him and fear him, because he speaks the truth, and the truth is not always pleasant for everyone.
जनतपिश न्यूज लखनऊ।